So let me just give you a brief summary in English. Although I understand that most of the ambassadors or the diplomatic personnel present here understands quite well in Hungarian, but still I think it would be useful to sum it up briefly. My first thought went back to a friend, to a colleague, to a unique, exceptional person, Árpád Fasang, who is no longer with us, but who was the person who initiated 25 years ago the Hungarian Cultural Day, or the Day of the Hungarian Culture, and it was his initiative, his proposition, which was taken as a basis when this special day was introduced, because first and foremost, of course, this is an opportunity tonight, I mean this afternoon, to celebrate this day by ourselves, by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. I just wanted to mention the name of another diplomat who is still with us and who I believe will be with us and will be very active also in the future. His name has already been mentioned by our spokesman. He is Gergely Pröhle, because he was the one who found this painting which was stored somewhere. So he found it by accident, or maybe he was trying to find it, but anyway, he found it, and then he took it to Berlin, to the embassy, and then of course the painting was exhibited in many different places. Last time, as I understand, it was also in Paris, at the very, very successful exhibition Allegro Barbaro and Béla Bartók. So, but now the painting comes, in a way, comes back to the place it has to belong to, and this is the Hungarian National Gallery. This is the right place because this gives opportunity and the possibility to everybody to see and to enjoy it. So the purpose of this ceremony is not only to celebrate the Day of Hungarian Culture, but also to demonstrate our strong intention to develop further cooperation between the Foreign Ministry, between the institutions responsible for foreign policies, with the cultural institutions such as National Gallery. And I also tried to say one or two words about cultural diplomacy, but I don't think that this is really needed now, because I think you all know that cultural diplomacy is becoming more and more important in our external activities, I would say. While, of course, we all know that economy is extremely important and economic diplomacy is getting more and more important, but as I said also in English, it's culture that matters, and I still believe that for the image of a country, for the messages a country wants to convey to the world, it is culture that really matters. And we are fairly strong on that. As I said last time jokingly, we are a kind of middle power in culture. It's not only music, although music is of course the most famous art. We excel, but this is also painting. Maybe painting is less known because the Hungarian painting did not set new schools or new language, as it was the case in music. But still, Hungarian painting all through the 20th century has been in the vanguard of European fine arts, European paintings. As it is, I believe, very well demonstrated by this painting of Perlott Csaba Vilmos. We just had a short discussion about the correct English translation of the name of the painting, and we agreed, we came to consensus that the right name is the School of Painters. So that is our decision as far as the English name of the picture is concerned. So with all that, thank you very much for coming to celebrate together with us. I hope that we all understand and you all understand the message of this. Let's work together for culture and also for all the values that culture is supposed to represent. Thank you very much again.